Setting up your recipe correctly is very important in order to analyze its nutrition facts accurately. Start by clicking Add a new recipe. You'll land on the Recipe Setup page. First, enter your recipe name, like butter cookies. Then, specify the number of packages your recipe produces, which is the number of sealable items that your recipe makes. In other words, how many bottles or packets do you make? My recipe makes 1 package of sealed cookies, so let's put it as 1. After that, specify how many servings your recipe serves. In my recipe, I have 6 cookies, and each serves 1 person, so I'll go ahead and type in the number 6. Now, choose the recipe category that best represents your recipe from the drop-down menu. In this case, I will select baked goods. Finally, define the suggested serving size. This is optional and is the recommended amount of food or drink generally consumed by a person at one time in simple household measures. Examples include 1 slice, 3 cups, 2 tablespoons, 1 teaspoon, or 4 fluid ounces. For this example, I'm going to type in 1 cookie. Then, if your product is a liquid, click Yes to display measurements in ml. It's that simple.